I'm breathless, walking up the stairs. They say I'm fine, but I'm not there. Something shifted when the world stood still. Now my heart's pushing uphill. All the tests say I'm okay, but I know something's changed. I'm breathless, but no one knows why. Something's rising inside since the long goodbye. I used to run without a thought. Now I stop halfway and watch. The sky feels heavier than before, like I'm pushing through a closed door. It's not fear and it's not stress, it's the space between the breaths. I'm breathless, but no one knows why. Something's rising inside since the long goodbye. Invisible pressure, no warning signs, a quiet way, drawing the line. I'm breathless, still standing here, listening closer before it's too